guys, welcome back to the Passport Snob channel. Shaquelle here with another video for you. If you're new to our channel, we want you to hit that subscribe button below so you can get updates on new content every Wednesday and Saturday. If you've been to our channel before, thank you for coming back, and we hope you enjoy this challenge we're about to bring you. Hey guys, before we get into this video, I have a special announcement. We are celebrating our 50th video here at Passport Snob, and it's time to celebrate. Oh my gosh. So we are doing a special giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out what we're giving away and how to enter.
The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
So as I mentioned before, today we're going to be doing another challenge. This is the old-fashioned soda challenge. So we came across this store on our road trip called the Candy Factory, and they had this entire cooler full of old-fashioned soda. Every kind of soda you could think of, from your normal root beer, cream sodas, they had those, as well as all these weird flavors. And me being me, I just felt like I had to try them. And once I started picking out flavors, I got a little carried away, but I settled on just a few to try out and see how they taste. There's some super weird flavors that you wouldn't think of would be in a soda. So I have some water here to help cleanse my palate in between sodas. And I have my handy dandy assistant, Kavina, who is gonna hand me those sodas. And I think she's actually concocted some mixtures as well. So what we'll do is we'll go through each of the sodas individually, and then we'll go back and spice it up a little bit by concocting some mixtures. All right, so let's get started tasting these sodas.
Up first, we have Buffalo Wing Soda.
I actually love buffalo wings, so I can hear the crispness of this soda. It doesn't smell like buffalo wings. It kind of just smells like orange soda, which Kel loves orange soda. My 80s babies will definitely know what that means. All right, let's taste it though. That's so it definitely doesn't taste like buffalo. It tastes like orange soda with, I taste like it's a peppery taste. And maybe a little bit of ginger too. Definitely not buffalo though, not like a buffalo sauce. And that's kind of what I was hoping for. I know that'd be weird, but that's what I was hoping for. Nope. I'm just gonna chug this down the rest of the way, and then I'm gonna cleanse my palate, and we're gonna go to the next one. It's not bad for a soda. Maybe we should wash that out. I'm gonna take a sip of this water here. All right, I'm ready for the next one.
Up next, we have ranch dressing to complement that Buffalo Wing Soda.
Ranch dressing. Well, oh wow. That has a very interesting smell, so it's gonna be interesting to see what this tastes like. Surprisingly, it's not that bad. I taste notes of ranch, but it's not very, it's not like the actual dressing. It's kind of got a cream soda flavor. So it definitely doesn't taste like the traditional ranch that we think of. It does have notes of ranch, But it tastes more like a cream soda with, I don't even know if I know how to describe it, but imagine like a very little bit of ranch with some cream soda. So not too bad. This one's not that bad. So we'll see. Now that one. Go ahead and take some more water, cleanse this palate of mine. All right, let's go to the next one.
Up next, we have Pickle Soda.
Now this one I'm actually really hoping tastes like pickle juice because I like pickle juice. I like pickles, but I like pickle juice even more. Oh, it smells like pickle juice. This is gonna be super interesting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it tastes like pickles, but it still has a soda like sweet flavor to it. So it's not, again, what you would think of a traditional pickle juice. It's more sweet. And not even like a gherkin, I believe is the sweet pickle. It's not that kind of sweet pickle either. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's not something I'd like drink probably ever again, but it does taste like pickle. This is the one that so far has tasted the most like what the bottle has said. So let's keep it going. I'm not gonna finish this one because that's too much. All right, let's go to the next one. Man, I didn't know what I was taking on when I decided to do this.
Up next, we have butter.
She's pouring some pretty hefty cups here too to make sure that I can taste these flavors. Let's see. Oh, and make sure that I'm only tasting. I'm gonna take some more water. Okay. It doesn't smell like butter. That just tastes like soda, really. Yeah, that one actually doesn't have any flavor to it at all. So that one's definitely the least like what it says on the bottle. So let's do some more cleansing here. Whew, what do we have next? I'm starting to get that burp there.
Up next, we have the delicious mustard.
So I'm not a big fan of mustard. I take mustard in very small doses. So let's see. Ooh. That has a horrid smell. So I'm gonna hope that it doesn't taste the way that it smells because, whew, maybe I need to do this number. Oh. Bad idea. Do not buy this one. Take my word for it. Like, oh my God. It tastes as bad as it smells. This is the first one that's tasted bad. All the other ones I'm fine with, but this is disgusting. Do not buy the mustard, guys. Don't do it. Ooh, water, please. Bring the next one.
Now we're gonna go sweet with a cookie and cream bite.
Ah, dessert.
Here you go.
Finally something good. I think we're out of cups, so we're just gonna take this one from the bottle. That's actually really tasty. That one, definitely creamy. I'm gonna take another swig. I can taste the cookies and cream. That one's pretty good, guys. I would recommend this one. If you like cream soda, I definitely think you'd like this one. You can definitely kind of taste those notes of cookies in there. So, all right. So now, Kavina has come up with some concoctions for me. So what's this one?
Don't be afraid. There's only two. Your first one up is the buffalo and ranch. So wings and ranch, you got to dip it in. Let's see what you got.
Let's test it out. Smells okay. Whew. Here we go. It just tastes like orange cream soda. There's still that ranch is very powerful. I don't know what the notes are that I taste in there, but I can definitely taste the ranch over the buffalo flavor, but it still kind of more so tastes like the orange cream soda. So not too bad. What's next?
Last but not least, we have mustard and pickle. Of course, you think of your condiments. You have a hot dog, you have a hamburger. You put pickles and mustard on it.
Let's just gonna take this water first. Y'all pray for me. Oh, I don't even know why I smelled that again, because that mustard, oh my gosh. Whew, that has to be the worst thing anybody in this world has ever invented. So it seems like mixing them together, the pickle kind of cut the flavor of the mustard a little bit, but I can definitely taste both flavors. But I feel like the pickle overpowers the mustard, which makes it not be so bad, but I don't need any of that mustard ever again.
It doesn't make you think of a hot dog?
No. Maybe a hot dog once it comes back up. Thanks for watching to the end of our video, guys. To find out about this special giveaway, we are giving away a air fry, which I did a review video on a couple of months ago. So if you haven't watched that already, go ahead and check it out now. We're also giving away a set of packing cubes, which Kavina reviewed also a few months ago. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check that one out as well. And we are giving them away for free, guys. All you have to do is join our social media contest on Facebook and Instagram. So now that you know what we're giving away, now you just need to know how to enter. So the first step is you need to be a YouTube subscriber. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that button down below. And if you're going to participate on Facebook, you need to be our Facebook follower as well. So be sure to check out our Passports Not Official page. Go ahead and press that like button on Facebook, and then share one of our videos from YouTube to your Facebook page. The person who has the most shares and the most likes will win the air fry. Okay, so that's how you enter for Facebook. For Instagram, same thing. You must be a YouTube subscriber, but also follow our Instagram page. And the person with the most likes for one of our reposts of our videos from our page will win the packing cube set. We hope you guys love these prizes and join in celebrating with our 50th video. We can't wait to get to 100 and bring you guys more travel content. So Let's do this, guys. Enter these contests and win these giveaways. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got a good laugh at me trying these crazy flavored old-fashioned sodas. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. And as always, join us on all our social media platforms to see more content and in-the-moment video and pictures from our trips. Till next time.